You see the difference? It's because, actually it's a pure olive oil. White becomes a really white. So we are going to put 546 grams of DI water. I'm using this glass in order to put the sodium hydroxide inside, which is actually, it will be 294 grams. And here is our sodium hydroxide. I put down the water and I add slowly the sodium hydroxide, but always I'm taking out to the yard. I never do it, inside the house. I will measure 1000 grams of my olive oil. You can see how nice it looks. And I will put it in so I can warm it out. So here is as I'm warming it up, and I will leave it around to become at 40 degrees Celsius. The same with the sodium hydroxide out. So as I told you, I'm taking always out my sodium hydroxide because I believe it's very bad to inhale it. So at this point I have 68.8. So I will wait and I will stir it too. So I'm trying to put everything together. As you see, here is my little forms because I want to make a small, my gloves. And as you can see, here is actually my olive oil, which I try, to make it hot. And we are waiting until we reach 50 and 50 degrees, 45, 50. So we will start. We are going to wear our gloves and our glasses and we start the processing. So here is my olive oil. In a little bit, I'm going outside to bring the sodium hydroxide so I can mix them. So my temperature is 37.9, 38 Celsius. And let's see how it will be our sodium hydroxide. Okay, my sodium hydroxide, it is 54, so very close. So what I'm going to do, I will start mixing them slowly. When I will see the first strain, I will stop it. You see, it's almost there. Always I'm doing with a degree, around 45. So I believe that we are okay. We have a trace, you see it? So now I will start to put on my forms. So I will start with my little here, just a little. And I can show you after how they look when I will do all of them. This is the soaps that I like to give away, so with my orders always I'm making like 6 or 7 from different types. So some they are hearts, some they are shells, it depends. So why I'm using them. And you can see how gold it is, because it's a pure olive oil. It's so important, the purity of olive oil. The oxidative value, it's so low. So it's not like the commercial olive oils that we can see or we can buy, because it's coming, as I told you, straight from Greece. This is, I told you, that's like my gifts that I like to send to people. Look how gold, how nice it is. You can understand the purity of olive oil only from the color. As I say, this is my little samples, so I can send you like a gift, pure olive oil. By the end of this video, I will show you how it's going to look. You will not believe the change of the color, because when it's finished the saponification process, the color is changed completely. So as I promise you, I can show you how it looks after. When it's dry, okay, you see the difference? It's because, actually it's a pure olive oil. White becomes a really white. And there is a myth that the green soap, how they call it, the Greek green soap, it's actually green. No, The real, soap, the Greek soap, but it's with a pure olive oil, it has to come out, at the end, pure white.